Hey friends, we are on lesson 46. First thing, it says Amy's dog had 8 puppies. She gave 5 puppies to her friends and 1 to her grandmother. How many puppies does she have now? Okay, they gave us a lot of information. We need to put it all in one place. So she started with 8 puppies, right? She gave 5, so we're going to add or subtract that. And then don't forget, she gave 1 more. Okay, so draw a picture. She started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 more. Don't forget that 1 more. They tried to trick you with that. So the number sentence is we started with 8. We gave away, or we subtract 6, and it equals 2. So the answer is 2. Now what were we counting? How many puppies? Measure this line segment using inches if you have a ruler at home. See if you can find that. And I can see I put this dot on the first measuring mark, not on the end of the ruler, on the first measuring mark. And I go all the way to where this dot is, and that's exactly 5. And this little dot dot here, that means inches. Make sure when you measure, you're using the inches side of your ruler, not the centimeter side. The centimeter side has measurements that are smaller together. Inches side has a little wider, okay? Fill in the missing numbers. Use the fewest possible number of pennies. So 3 dimes and 16 pennies. It looks like we're going to do a trade. Okay, so what we do is this. We take, a dime is worth how much? Dimes are worth 10 cents. Pennies are worth 1 cent, right? Dimes are 10, pennies are 1. I can see this 1 right here, so there's 16 pennies. I can take out a group of 10 pennies. So 16, take out a group of 10 pennies because I'm going to move it over here and make it a dime, is 6. So now I have 6 pennies left, and I'm going to take this 10 cents and I'm going to move it over here, and instead of 3 dimes, now I'm going to have 4 dimes. So I took that 10 pennies and I traded it for 1 dime. And now I have 4 dimes. How much money is that? 4 dimes is 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. And 6 pennies is 6 more, so 46. That was a little trickier. Do your best on that one. I have 4 pennies and 9 dimes. How much money is that? Well, look, they switched it. So we're going to go for the dimes first. 9 dimes is 9 groups of 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 90, and 4 pennies is 94. And it's money and it's cents, so we're adding a cent sign on. I have 6 ones and 7 tens. Well, this is the same thing, except we're not going to put a cent sign on the end. 6 ones, 7 tens. So we're going to do the tens first. 7 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 with a 0 on the end of it. And 6 ones, so put those ones on there. Write the digital time that it says on the clock. So we always go hour hand first. That's the shorthand first. 3, because it hasn't gotten to the 4 yet, but it's after the 3, so 3. And when it's going straight down, it's 30 minutes. When it's straight to the 3 over here, it's 15 minutes, and when it's straight to the 9, it's 45 minutes. And when it's straight up, it's o'clock. You know that one. The other way we could figure this 30 out, if you can't remember it, is to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so it's 3:30. Next one. The hour hand moved. So now the hour hand is a little after the 4, halfway between the 4 and the 5. It has not gotten to the 5 yet. So it's 4. And again, what is this? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 4:30. That's the whole thing. Do your very best. If you can't find a ruler in your house, see if there's a, let me make sure we have measuring on this side. Yeah. If you can't find a, oh, you know what? They're not going to have you measure. It says this is a 6-inch line segment. They already measured it for you. Find something at home that is 6 inches long. So you're just going to take this and find something at home that's that long. Perfect. Talk to you later.